What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release February 22nd. But before we get into that review, I want to take a quick look at some more upcoming Jordan releases. First up, we got the women exclusive Air Jordan Retro 5 releasing January 22nd. Next, we have another women exclusive Air Jordan Retro 3 Valentine Day releasing on February 1st. Last but certainly not least, we have the Air Jordan Retro 1 Black Toe Reimagined releasing on February 15th. Now, all of these releases, plus the one that we're about to review, is shipping out early on FineLine1721.com. And I also have the OG Black Metallic 5 releasing February 8th and the High 85 Bread releasing February 14th on the website as well. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Starting off with the box, as you can see, we got the standard Jordan lipped up box, two-tone color pattern. We have a dark creamy gray on one side with kind of like a deep North Carolina blue Jumpman sitting on the top. And on the front side of the box, we got the elephant print all the way over. Now, taking a look at the label, Air Jordan 3 Retro, Summit White, Hydrogen Blue. Size 8.5 we're going to be taking a look at. Flipping the box lid up, got your standard elephant print paper. Flip that back. Now let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Lucky Shorts. These do not come with any added accessories, no hang tags, no laces. So let's go ahead and get right into this review. Starting off with that top-down view of the shoe, got the all-white sock liner, all-white insole with the blue Jumpman logo sitting on the top. Got buttery soft leather sitting on the tongue. We have a light sky blue Jumpman logo stitched in, Carolina blue eyelets at the top of the ankle, cream eyelets right here sitting on top of the gray suede, which replaces the elephant print that you normally get on a pair of Retro 3s. And we got the deep Carolina blue eyelets right here at the bottom. Now, taking the tissue paper out, now with the tissue paper out, we could take a look at the quality of the leather that they used on the toe. Well, the shoe overall, I should say. It is definitely some nice leather, nothing stiff about these. As you can see, you can tell from just me pushing down that the leather has some nice give. Also, another thing of note, as mentioned earlier, that the elephant print is replaced on this shoe with gray suede counterparts. Now, going around to the lateral side of the shoe, the standard stiff leather that you would normally get right here on this panel has been replaced with some nice soft plush leather. Very nice touch there. Taking a look at the midsole, we got the two-tone aged midsole with the deep North Carolina blue accent color on the heel. Taking a look at the bottom of the shoe, all gray outsole. We got the North Carolina blue accent color at the toe with the blue Jordan branding sitting in the middle. Now, taking a look at the heel, nothing behind the heel tab. We got the blue Jumpman branding sitting on top of the Air branding. Now, taking a look at this angle, we can go behind the tongue as well, because this is where the whole theme of this shoe really shines. As you know, these are nicknamed the Lucky Shorts, and the story goes that Michael Jordan actually wore his training USC college shorts underneath his Bulls jerseys in his playing days. So they took the tag from his shorts and put it behind the tongue. Very, very nice touch there. Now, going around to the medial side, you can see more of that nice little plush tumble leather going throughout the uppers. Now, taking that last quick 360. And that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Lucky Shorts. These right here is definitely one of the better Air Jordan Retro 3s that have released in a long time. It's not just one of those unnecessary themes that just kind of like miss when it comes from Nike or Jordan. I believe that these are very nice and very tasteful, and it just works. Very clean colorway in my opinion. So if you are interested in this pair and you want to grab them, they are shipping out early on FineLine1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on X. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.